For my fresh ingredients, I have fresh ginger, bell peppers, lemon, yellow onion, thyme, minced garlic, cilantro, and some green onions. All right, so we're just gonna add all of our fresh chopped seasoning, and then we're gonna add a little bit of oil. Then we're just gonna blend everything together, all right? Now we're just gonna add a quarter of a cup of fresh red pepper. Also some lemon juice. So we're just adding a teaspoon of salt to our mixture. And you just want to start mixing your salt and the mixture together. We're just adding salt to taste, that's all. And this is the shrimp that I'll be using for my skewer. I have tail on, which is already peeled, okay? So peel tail on shrimp. This is what I'll be using for the shrimp skewer. All right, so you want to empty the entire packet. And then we're just gonna start mixing everything together. Let's start mixing. We're looking good right now, looking good. Start from the bottom of the tail all the way up to the top, all right? And right now I'm doing six shrimp per skewer. You know, if you want to add more or less, that's definitely up to you. All right, so you just want to go ahead and add your blended mixture, blended seasoning to both sides. Let's go ahead and brush it. All right, guys, so you just want to do like maybe a minute, 2 minutes max on each side. You know, shrimp shouldn't take that long.